Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Ronald. So for today's video, I'm going to do a haul and I'm gonna be unboxing some things na na-receive ko a few days ago, and lahat ng things na ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya ay mga must-haves for the current situation, for the new normal. So lahat to kakailanganin natin, or parang kailangan natin silang bilhin or kailangan natin magkaroon, to survive this whole pandemic. So if you want to see the things that I got, then please keep on watching. So yeah guys, lahat ng ipapakita ko ngayon ay mga bagay or mga kinakailangan natin magkaroon for, the new normal, to protect ourselves from the virus. So sa mga kilala sa akin personally, alam nila kung gaano ako ka-germophobic or ka-germophobe, na even before, nung wala pang coronavirus, nagdadala talaga ako ng alcohol or wipes. Kahit yung utensils, linalagyan ko ng alcohol, tapos sinusoak ko siya sa boiling water. So the very first na binili ko talaga, or nung nakita ko siyang available online, kasi sa mga drugstore wala na akong magpagbilhan, bumili talaga ako kasi kahit medyo pricey. Hindi naman siya totally pricey, pero alam ko hindi siya yung SRP niya sa mga grocery or sa mga drugstores. So I'm talking about this one. This is the Green Cross Total Defense Antibacterial Sanitizer. Before pa, ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko. Yung mas malaking container nila, yung parang, I don't know kung anong size nun, basta color mint yung parang container nila. Gusto ko to kasi parang alcohol and sanitizer na siya at the same time. Tapos, it claims to have 5-in-1 protection from viruses and germs that can last up to 5 hours. Tapos non-drying siya, and at the same time hypoallergenic. And this is 300 ml. Hindi ako nag-hoard guys ha, dalawa lang to. And next is hand sanitizer rin siya, pero small size. And this is the Bello hand sanitizer. And it kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. What I like about this is yung scent niya, ang bango-bango. And it's very handy. Pag hindi mo gusto magdala ng alcohol sa bag mo, you can just bring this one. And pag maubos na siya, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng refill ng alcohol or kahit anong sanitizer na meron ka. So the next item guys is this one. This is the Lysol Germ Protection Hand and Body Wipes. Binili ko to sa Cebu, sa friend ko. 4 yung binili ko. 200 yung isa. Tapos 50 pools na siya, or 50 wipes inside. Okay na siya, sulit na siya kasi malaki naman yung wipes. Talagang malilinis niya. I use this, to sanitize my watches, my cell phones, my keys, my wallets. Yung mga dinadala mo pag lumalabas ka. Tapos, I like that it's Lysol. Alam naman natin na Lysol is known to kill, 99% of viruses and bacteria. Diba nga yung Lysol spray na available sa market, sa likod may nakalagay na it can kill coronavirus even before, coronavirus was a thing. And meron din ako noon, pero nasa cabinet namin, hindi ko na ipapakita. Alam niyo na yung itsura ng Lysol na spray, madaming variants yun. So the next item is, alam to ng lahat, surgical mask. This one. Pwede kayong bumili ng isang box, may nagbibenta, may 500 isang box, may 800 isang box, may 900. Depende lang sa mga, kung yung seller talaga ay mapagsamantala. Ito guys, mabibili nyo sa Watsons. Ano na siya? 3 pieces, isang pack. I forgot the price, pero for sure mura lang to kasi sa drugstore yung mabibili directly. And I also ordered some, what do you call this? Washable mask. This one. May color green, may peach, may military green, and may, eto, pina-personalize ko, pina-print ko siya. May nakalagay na 2005. Clear ba siya? 2005. Kasi gagamitin dapat namin to sa outreach program. Pero we decided to wear KN95 na mask para mas protected kami sa mga, mga viruses. So, what I do with this, since may lagayan siya ng filter, itong surgical mask, kinakat ko yung rubber and then in-insert ko siya sa loob. Dito. Sinishape ko siya na parang itong washable mask. Para mas stylish ka pa rin. Kasi diba, parang very medical personnel naman yung dating mo pag ito lang yung suot mo. So, diba, might as well ilagay mo siya sa loob nito. Then, ito na lang yung isuot mo. Para hindi masyadong agaw eksena. Kasi diba, plain lang siya. I don't know if naririnig nyo pa ako. Diba? It's so nice. So, the next one guys is this one. It's a surgical gloves na hypoallergenic and powder-free. Meaning, wala siya yung parang madulas na, yung typical surgical gloves na parang may powder. Ito wala siya. Tapos, 20 pesos lang to sa Watsons. This one. If bilhin mo siya isang pack, 5 siya, 100 pesos. That's the brand. And if you want to be a little extra while wearing the surgical gloves, tapos gusto mong maging stylish, diba? Patungan mo siya ng magandang gloves. Diba? Ilagay mo yung surgical, then you wear a stylish gloves. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Another option lang yon. Pero if you're good with just wearing a surgical gloves, then that's fine. So, the next item guys is, for sure, alam na alam nyo to. Especially yung mga nag-travel or nagpupunta sa mga grocery kasi chine-check ang temperature nyo. This is the non-contact infrared thermometer. So, it looks like this. And sa loob niya is this one. Ito siya. Here it is guys. For sure, alam nyo na tong gamitin. Yung screen niya nasa likod. Diyan yung makikita yung temperature ng isang tao pag i-check nyo. Careful lang guys if bibili kayo online. This one. Kasi yung iba, hindi siya for human. You know, for other things siya na temperature scanner. Make sure na for human yung bibilhin nyo. This one's very handy. You can also bring this if you're going to travel or if you're going to the grocery. So, the last item, guys, that I'm going to show you is a face shield. Maraming face shield na available sa market. And we can also make our own face shields. Maraming tutorials sa YouTube. Pero I decided to get this one because I want to be, a little extra. I want to be stylish. They sent this to me via DHL. This came all the way from Finland. I'm sure medyo alam nyo na kung ano to. May idea na kayo kung anong laman nito just by reading the brand. It's from the brand Nopeet. You know, the likes of Heart Evangelista, Kim Chu. For sure, nakita nyo na to sa Instagram nila. And other celebrities wearing this one. And unboxing pa to guys kasi kari-receive ko lang nito. So, ito yung laman niya. May another box and it comes with this letter. Basahin niya natin. Oh, medyo bastos siya guys. Hindi ko siya pwedeng basahin. Dear Mother... Mother F. Yes, Renal, we're talking about you, blah blah blah, F yeah. Everybody wants results. You have just received a pair of Nopeet shades and you are on the right path now. Results will follow. Best regards, Nopeet founders K and W. Feel free to contact us. No death threats, please. At k@nopeetstore.com, w@nopeetstore.com. Handwritten siya guys, look. Parang bata yung nagsulat. Okay naman quality ng box. I don't know if this is made in Finland or Finland lang siya nag-originate tapos made in other countries. Oh, siya nga ars ko. Nakalagay dito guys. It says masterminded in Finland, assembled in China, worn everywhere. It's 100% UV proof, NV proof daw, and water resistant to the bottom. May paganon pa sila ha. And this is a type of shield that I got. Madaming klaseng shield sila guys. Just visit their website and their Instagram. Oh, it's so nice. You know what? Yung nare-remember ko sa type ng shield na to is yung Fire MV ng 21, yung suot-suot ni CL sa... I'll try to insert a clip yung suot niya sa first few minutes ng video. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Grabe no? Very futuristic. Straight out of future. Yun yung parang tagline nila. And before I open this one, I'm just gonna show you what's beneath the shield. We have a cleaning cloth here. And a pouch for the shield. This one. Or dust bag. Drawstring dust bag. Yun ba tawag dito? And what's this? Tags? Oh, I think these are stickers. Here. Nopeet. Logo nila. Hilig nila magmura guys, look. Sana naman dito ma-demonetize. So I'm gonna open it na. It's made from plastic. Look guys. It's very nice. I'm very OC, so chine-check ko talaga if there are hairlines, mga gasgas. Actually, it's not perfect. I'm seeing some dents and yung, alam nyo yun, yung mga buo-buong, what do you call it, mga buo-buong paint. I don't know how to describe it. I don't think it's showing sa camera. But, to be honest, for its price sa website, which is $69, or in peso, that's like 300, sorry, that's like 3,400 something, or 3,500. depende sa palitan ng dollar. I don't know. I don't know. To be honest, hindi ko alam if it's worth it. Let me try it first. It's nice. Okay naman yung fit niya. Perfect sa nose ko. I love it. To be honest, I love it. But the material, because I saw fake ones on Instagram na binibenta nila for 2,000 pesos. If I were you, just get this. Just go to their website and get this. Kasi for 3,500, at least alam mo na authentic yung gamit mong face shield and alam mo na totoong 100% protection from UV rays and water resistant and you know kung ano-ano pa dyan na claim nila. At least totoo, diba? Kasi yung fake na binibenta, walang nakalagay na Nopeet and walang logo ng CE and walang nakalagay na this one, na straight out of future. I'm planning actually to order the other designs. Yung parang mas wearable siya for everyday use. Kasi this one, dahil parang Power Ranger ka na nito. But of course, I'm going to use it. Because it's very, very trendy. And in fairness, protected naman yung eyes mo all the way down to your nose. Tapos syempre magmamask ka. Let's try it with a face mask. Actually, after filming this, I'm going to have a photo shoot with Jeff. Oh, it looks nice. You know what? Pwede na akong magnakaw. Pwede na akong mag-akyat bahay. Tapos walang makakakilala sa akin. Oh, it's so nice, guys. Look at that lens. Medyo zoom pa natin na para makita nyo talaga. Guys, look at that. It's so cool. Diba? So cool. Tapos sakto lang siya sa nose ko. Hindi naman siya natatanggal. So, yun lamang guys. Actually, madami pang bagay na parang kino-consider ko na must-haves for the new normal. Pero, these are the things na parang common or parang kailangan talaga natin. Like this one, if lalabas ka. Kasi before, what I do is nagsusuot lang ako ng sunglasses or eyeglasses to protect my eyes. But since meron na ako nitong Nopeet face shield, then, diba, mas better. Mas protected yung eyes mo. So, that's it guys. At hindi ko na talaga tinanggal. That's for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo pag may bagong videos ako. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye!